As we here in Barbados and the rest of the region get a bit closer to the official start of the Atlantic hurricane season, the buzzword here at the Barbados Water Authority, especially the Wastewater Division, is preparation. And that's what our teams have been doing, going out in the field, checking those networks, led by Verrol-Ann Scott, the Industrial Waste Inspector with the BWA. Verrol-Ann, great to have you back on the program. Talk a bit about that, those preparation methods that you are using with your teams as you go here through Bridgetown and on the South Coast as well.
Well, as you know, we are getting ready to prepare for hurricane season, so we are doing our hurricane prep now. So we are in the field, both on the Bridgetown and the South Coast network. We're flushing those lines to ensure that we have a free flow of the wastewater and when the lines are not charged. We're also ramping up our inspections as well to ensure that customers, both commercial and domestic, are compliant, because we don't want to have any eventualities onto the network during this time. So we're asking persons to get ahead of the preparations. Don't wait till last minute, because there are a lot of things that we need to do, looking at the integrity of your grease trap, securing any debris around the property that can probably impact your manholes on the property as well, and also into our drainage too, because that's also an important role in hurricane prep too as well, ensuring that the drains are free of any debris.
So people may ask, and I'm going to play devil's advocate here, what are the dangers of not doing this level of preparation?
This could impact us significantly, especially if we have heavy downpours. By not maintaining the sewer network, that can have potential blockages. It could be debris that we see along the lines. Sometimes we see objects such as shirts, towels that may be dumped into the network from persons flushing or persons opening manholes and doing illicit dumping. So we have to do our due diligence to ensure that the lines are free of any form of debris, as well as the fats, oils and greases. This is where we ramp up inspections, especially around this time, because we want customers to be mindful of how they treat to their fats, oils and greases, both commercial and domestic as well. So we are doing our due diligence to ensure that we are offering the best service to our customers as well, by providing a clean, free-flowing sewer and no charge lines.
And the Wastewater Division is working around the clock as well.
Yes, we are. Obviously, during the course of the day, we are limited to the fact that we have a lot of heavy vehicular traffic on the road. So we are forced then to do a little bit of night flushing. So we want customers and motorists specifically to be mindful of our teams when they're in the road. You know, we have persons who will be delegated to be handling with traffic. So we want customers and the motorists alike to ensure that they're adhering to the directives given by our team members in the road.
What are some of the key things that your team will be doing as you check the network?
So as we check the network, we're going to be looking at the integrity of our pipe as well, our pipe infrastructure in the ground as it relates to the sewer network. We're going to be looking at the grease trap integrity of persons' properties, whether it be commercial or domestic. And we're going to be ensuring that our manhole covers are sealed and adequately secured, so that if there's any overflowing, if there's any eventualities with flooding, that those manholes are secured so that we do not overwhelm the system.
And then as usual, you always have some advice for residents and business owners as we get ready for the hurricane season as well. What are some of the important things that they should be looking after?
As it relates to the commercial entities, we're asking the maintenance teams to take a good look around the property, secure their manholes, look at the grease trap. If the grease traps need cleaning, have them cleaned. As it relates to domestic entities, persons who are not au fait with what they need to do, they can contact the private contractors to assist them. And some people may not want to have the bother to be looking at the grease trap and monitoring. These private entities can also put you on a schedule where they can monitor your property for you, so that you don't have any eventualities that can potentially lead to any blockages or any overflows onto your property.
Well, a big thank you to our Industrial Waste Inspector Verrol-Ann Scott for bringing us up to speed. She'll be back to give you another update right here on Water Wednesdays. To view this or previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. You can find us on our socials on Instagram and Facebook at bwa.bb. On WhatsApp, we have a channel as well. You can subscribe to that, or please subscribe to our Water Wednesdays channel on YouTube. You can find us there.